Hey guys, it's me again. As promised, here's a quick video today using the Birds of Paradise Polygel kit, and here are the nails I did. Keep watching if you want to see how I did them. So if you missed my first video, I did unboxing the entire Birds of Paradise collection. Then I'm just going to do a really quick unboxing of the Polygel kit. It deserves a video of its own, but we get these really cute feather stickers, a 180 grit nail file, the standard Makartt nail brush and spatula, a top coat, a base coat. Here are all the colors, and I already did some swatches for you guys. They are absolutely stunning, my favorite kit so far. And then a little container of dual forms, and the Makartt dual forms come with an extra curved and then a more slightly straight pair of dual forms, so that's really cool. So for the nail prep, mine are already pretty much prepped, but I'm going to take the file and just remove, any more oils, kind of just buff the surface of my nails. And then after I'm done with that, I usually have like my whole nail prep in my other videos. You guys can go watch if you'd like to see my nail prep. But once you're done doing that and your cuticles, you're going to want to dehydrate and use your nail primer and then apply base coat. Base coat is optional. I mean, I know a lot of girls usually just go in with their nail tips and then they'll put base coat on top of their nail tips and go on with their polygel. But I do it like this because it just protects my little nail beds. I do so many tutorials, and honestly, if I was soaking off and exposing my natural nails, they would just be done for. So I'm going to be doing the LazyGirl method today. I'm using these full cover nail tips. And you want to file the cuticle and make sure they fit snug and, kind of customize them to your cuticle. It'll help so they don't pop off. So today I'm going to be using the Birds of Paradise decoration kit, and this is so cute. I do wish if I was going to say one thing, I wish that this decoration set had a few more like 3D charms, like some of their other kits did, like the Sweet Cravings one had the like donuts and some of the more 3D charms, and the Mariposa had the butterfly one. I wish this one had a couple more 3D, but so cute and so much fun. I absolutely love it. This glitter, I thought it was completely different, but it actually has hearts, stars, and glitter in it. So for the LazyGirl method, I love doing this method. It's so fun, it's really easy, and you can actually do like the most complicated set of nails with LazyGirl method in such a quick amount of time. Usually like with these nails, it would take hours and hours to do it the traditional way, but with this way, it is so fast. So it's just really cool how you can do like such intricate designs, yet it's, really easy. So I started off by applying the base coat in the nail so I could add my glitter. You need to add base coat so that your glitter has something to stick to. Then I took my little flashlight and I did a really quick cure on the glitter so that it sticks in place. If you don't do a flash cure on the glitter, when you go to apply your polygel, it's just going to move around all over the place. And that leads me to my next thing. If you're using soft gel nail tips, the ones I'm using right here, these are soft gel. So when you do your quick cure with the flash cure in between, you have to do it like literally 3 to 5 seconds, because if you do it any longer than that, the nails are actually going to shrink because they're gel. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys at all, but gel cures under gel cures under the UV lamp, So when you expose UV lamp to the gel nails, they shrink, they get like a size smaller. So when you're doing the LazyGirl method, I always say when you put it on your nail, like I did right here, you'll feel like a suction cup almost when you're curing it under the lamp, like because the nail shrinks, it almost like hugs your nail and just sticks really nicely. So a lot of people will say like, hey, do you usually size up a size when you do the LazyGirl method, because of the fact that they do shrink? but I don't do that just because I like the kind of snug fit it feels on my nail, you know, and then I just know for sure that it's on there. So yeah, I'm just applying base coat in each of the nails and applying the glitter where I want it. I'm kind of making them each different with the glitter, kind of putting them in random spots just to make it a little bit fun. The last video I did with this kit, I just used the gel polishes, as you guys know, and I kept it really simple, really clean set, and you know, I wanted to use the Polygel next because this set's going to be a lot more fun, a lot more like clubbing, night girl, gonna go out fun. And then my last video was more like elegant, you know, just some press-on A-press nails with the beautiful gel polish. So 2 different videos for 2 different personalities of my girls. I got all of you guys. So when you pop on your LazyGirl method nails, you want to be really careful to not squeeze it down like you normally would. You know, like when you go to fit your nail to your nail, you like squeeze it down and you make sure it fits perfectly sidewall to sidewall. Well, when you do the LazyGirl method, you don't want to squeeze down so that the Polygel squeezes out. I kind of just like put it on my nail and kind of not hover it, but I just put it on my nail. I squeeze a little bit, but not to where like it would be if I'm fitting it, you know? You just want to, you know, put it on there nicely and don't squeeze too much Polygel out. You also don't want to have too much Polygel inside of your nail. You just want enough to cover the inside, and that's it. It's super easy. These nails last for a long time, you guys, by the way. If they aren't lasting for you, there's just a couple things you're either doing. You're either not carrying them long enough, you're putting too much Polygel in, you didn't file around so it fits perfectly snug around your cuticle, or you didn't do your prep right. But if you do all the steps right, these will last you 2, 3, even longer weeks. I'm not kidding. I promise. Trust me. So give this method a shot. You'll love it. It'll be your best friend. And do you guys like this kit? What's your favorite color, by the way? Did you guys purchase the Mariposa, the Sweet Cravings, or did you guys purchase this one? And let me know your favorite one in the comments. I feel like Makartt has a kit for everybody right now. Like they had the Emily Susanna one, they had the Mariposa one, they had the Sweet Cravings, they have this one, they had the Valentine's one, the Rose one. Like they've had so many amazing kits out lately. And don't forget, you guys can use your girls code SLAYBYJ, save yourself 15% off, and I also earn a small commission, and when you guys do that, it helps me and my channel be able to get quality videos out to you guys as consistently as I've been trying to. So yeah. Oh, you guys, I'm almost at 5,000 subscribers. Like, what? Is this real life? I can't believe it. I'm so excited. You guys, the giveaway I'm gonna be doing, oh girl, you guys are gonna be so stoked, and there's gonna be like several winners. There's not just gonna be one winner. So I'm gonna be like giving to a lot of you guys because you guys deserve it. I love you all so much. Thank you for following me, subscribing, you know, being my friend. Thank you to Makartt and all the sweet, amazing companies I've been able to establish relationships with, and yeah, especially Makartt. I love you guys. Thank you so much for sending me this kit and PR. I just feel so grateful, and yeah, I hope that you guys go and get it if you can afford it. I know they have Afterpay, which like splits your payments up in 4. And then I know in like Canada and the US and Europe, they have PayPal Pay where you can like split it up in 4 payments as well. So the whole bundle of this is still available in Canada. I saw today on Makartt.com or Makartt.ca. It's still available, the bundle. So after I got these all cured, I'm taking this cleanser and I'm putting it on a cotton ball, and I'm gonna just wipe it all over my nails to remove the sticky layer, because it's inevitable. They're gonna get sticky on top of it. So just remove that before you start to file. And this way, this method, you don't have to bust out your file either. Like your drill, I meant, not your file, your drill. If you have an e-file, you don't have to use that really. Like, I mean, I don't. You could if you want, but I don't think you would have to because you don't have to file on top of the nail really. All that I do is just file the edge and remove that little plastic layer, and then I buff the surface and just make it like a fresh layer so it's ready for some base gel, right? Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch me buff for a second and I'll be right back because Lord knows I talk every video. You guys are probably sick of me. Why are dusty picks so good and satisfying? Like, sometimes the dusty pick, or sometimes the way they look after they've been filed, sometimes looks better than they do after they're completely done. Like, I don't know, I just love it. Anyway, so after that, obviously you guys can see I'm applying base coat to all the nails. So satisfying seeing them go from dry to wet, shiny. I love it. This pink and yellow looks so cute together. Sally, you're so good at your job, girl. You guys should go watch Makartt's. Makartt has a YouTube channel, Makartt Official, and they post videos, and their last video they posted, it's really cute. They gave me a little shout out, but no, I'm just kidding. Seriously, they really did. But they answered some really good questions about how to get on their PR list and just getting to know Makartt a little bit better. So you guys should go check that out. And now I am doing my rhinestones. So after I applied my base coat, I cured that, and now I'm just playing around with the rhinestones and these little feathers. They are metal, there's gold and silver, and I guess they're considered 3D, right? So literally I just wanted to use as much as I could without making them look completely ridiculous and gaudy, but I kind of like a little bit of gaudy sometimes. So gaudy's fine, but just ridiculous, which, just, yeah, it wasn't possible because these decorations are just so cute. So as you can see, I just took the rhinestones and I just applied them all around the cuticle, and then I took my flashlight and cured those so they didn't fall all the way around. And then I applied the stickers and random spots, and same with those silver 3D feathers. And then I just top coated and cuticle oiled, and that was it. Really cute and simple. So you're gonna see me top coat right here, and then after I'm done top coating, I go in with some more stickers and another one of those 3D feathers. Truth be told, I was giving my daughter a bath while I was doing these nails, and I had to wash her hair out right as I was doing that top coat. I was like, crap, I have to hurry and top coat it so I don't ruin them. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed these nails. I love them so much. I don't think I loved a set of nails like this in a long time. So thank you again, Makartt. Thank you to all my subscribers, all the love you guys show me. And once we hit 5K, we'll be doing a big giveaway. So shout out to my channel members: Curvy Girl Nails, Faye Peters, Danielle Monnet, Bucket List, Shelly Peters, Michelle Mish, Jennifer Landris, Kimberly Cannon, Maria's Nail Journey, Kylie McGee, Crystal Colton, Enrique's Family Goods, Nicole Boyer, Kaylin Nails, China Fierce B, Michelle Foy, Penny Vestina, Nell by Saber Griffin, Katie Lunn, and Candace Joyner. By the way, everyone, just keep Candace in your thoughts and prayers. Her mom recently passed away, and just want to let you know, Candace, that we all love you and we're here for you, girly. Anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!